Moving forward, we have collegial model. Collegial model is quite popular nowadays just because it is totally dependent on the basis of partnership. Yes, every employee is considered as a partner. He is giving a whole dedication to the organization and pushing his limits to make organization a better place to work with. So managerial orientation is definitely teamwork. Manager has some tasks, employees has some tasks, and all of them need to gather together. Everyone is communicating and collaborating with each other and getting the task done. So employee orientation here is the responsible behavior. Every employee is considered as an equal owner of this organization just to ensure that the employee is giving his or her best in this field. And the employee psychological results are the self discipline, as the ownership is little bit awarded here. So employee needs to be self disciplined, giving a best of the best performance over here. So employee needs met, self actualization. This self actualization, this term we have already got introduced with in the Herzberg hierarchy of need. This is the extreme level of any person to work with any organization. He knows himself well and he knows what is the main purpose of his life, and there is a deep sense of existence with this employee, and he is giving the best out of best from his dedicated time to the organization. The performance results is the moderate enthusiasm. The person is self motivated, self disciplined, and getting enthusiasm from himself. So still we are lacking in some agendas, that's why it is called as moderate. So moderate enthusiasm is there in the collegial model.